You think sweet potato casserole is all about marshmallows? Think again, buddy. I'm about to show you the casserole that's so good it steals this Thanksgiving spotlight. And yes, you'll ditch the marshmallows for the simplistic gimmick that they are. Unless you're a child viewer, in which case those marshmallows are absolutely essential. Click on like and subscribe and share. Little tip. Heat your water up in a kettle so that you're not waiting 15 minutes for the pot to come to a boil. And when it comes to cracking eggs, have a little bowl beside it so that you've got somewhere to put the empty eggshells, so you're not leaving like egg white everywhere in your countertop because it dries in and it gets hard to remove. And remove the eggshells. Yeah, I find that's a great idea. Then just give them a whisk, you know. Only takes a minute or two. Or three. Ah yeah, but don't skip the secret step or your casserole will flop. You're right to be afraid. Let's watch me make it, because you're too lazy to make it. And you'll probably buy some muck from Costco anyway. Hashtag Costco. It's actually pretty good. First up, the base. We're using 4 cups of cubed sweet potatoes, boiled until fork tender. Not mushy, just tender enough to mash easily. Now, for the flavour. Add 2 beaten down trodden factory eggs for structure, half a cup of sugar for the diabetics, and a splash of vanilla to bring it all together. Don't forget the butter for the fatties. 4 tablespoons for that creamy richness. They can't seem to go without for 5 minutes. A little bit of salt, a little bit of vanilla essence. Mix it all up until silky smooth, or slightly chunky. It's up to you. It's subjective. Then spread it evenly into your baking dish. Fill that pie. Now, here's where the air quotes magic happens. The topping. A simple mix of brown sugar, flour, butter and chopped pecans. Not chopped too finely, not chopped too big. Pay close attention to how I've done it. This creates a crumble that bakes into perfect crispy layer. It takes a savoury dish and practically turns it into a dessert. And here's the trick. Lightly press the topping down so every bit gets that irresistible crunch. Low and slow is the key here, folks. 325, whatever that is in Celsius, for about 30 minutes. This gives the topping time to crisp without overcooking the pecans. If they turn black, you're going to have a problem. So don't let that happen. Pay attention. Look at that golden crust. You can almost hear the crunch. And there it is. Creamy sweet potatoes, a buttery pecan topping, and the ultimate balance of flavour. Who needs marshmallows when you've got this? Well, children, obviously. But as you're doing the cooking, I'm assuming you're an adult, you've an adult palate and taste buds, and that you're not a 5-year-old. You shouldn't be giving shite like that to 5-year-olds anyway. Think your Thanksgiving lineup can top this? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to share your pie picks. Yeah, no, I'll leave that one alone. Happy cooking. Bye.